Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. I've got some new things from Double Dip. They sent over a few of their new glitters from their new glitter collection. I will leave all the info down below, but we're going to use one of the glitters today. And I'm going to do a look that I haven't done in so long. And I'm going to do it without using gel because I did gel last time and I really wanted to see if I can do it with dip base instead of gel base. So we're going to get into it. I am going to be using Double Dip liquids. Thank you, by the way, to Double Dip for so kindly sending over all these goodies and sponsoring today's video. I super appreciate you. I'm going to get started with this color called Sunkissed. This is one of my go-to very peachy neutral colors. It pretty much goes with everything, and I figured it would be great to put alongside this glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 full dips into Sunkissed. Now that's going to super depend on your skin tone, of course. My skin tone is a little bit weird. I can't wear certain colors, and usually I can't do peachy tone things. I can't do really warm toned colors, but this one looks very nice against my skin color. So if you have a skin tone similar to mine, you might really enjoy this color. Now, if you're wondering what's on my nails right now, underneath what I am putting on it already, I do have tips on. I have been really liking doing little extensions lately, but I do them with dip base. They're not full cover tips, they're just regular nail tips. And I did a little buildup of an apex using clear before I'm going in with the color. If you want to see how I build up a little bit of an apex, I will leave it up in the cards for you to check out. I'll also leave how I do my tips in case you want to see that as well. Super simple. You know me, I don't like to complicate things. If you don't know me and you're new here, hi, I'm Marla Chris. I do nail content twice a week, every week on this channel. I'd love to have you if you'd like to consider subscribing. If you feel like you need a bunch of other weirdos to hang out and do weird nail things with, I do have a Facebook group as well. I will leave it linked down below for you. So I went ahead and did my first dip. I'm going to dust off excess. I'm going to repeat the same exact process. Again, depending on your nail length and your nail shape, your curve of your nail, your dip process may be different than mine. If you want to see a very beginner-friendly step-by-step dip tutorial, if you've never done dip nails at home before, I'll make sure to leave that up in the cards for you also. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my second dip, and then we're going to talk about this absolutely stunning glitter. So here's what we're looking like so far. As you can see, 2 coats gave me absolutely beautiful coverage. I'm super happy with the way those came out. This glitter though, okay. I don't know if y'all are with me, for me, or against me, but I could not wait to dive into all the fall colors, and this glitter just screamed autumn to me. I am literally obsessed. Normally, I'm not a glitter girl. I know, I'm ruffling feathers saying that, I'm sorry. But I have been very into glitter lately, and I don't know if it's the change of seasons. Maybe I'm changing, who knows. But this glitter spoke to me. I got a couple of them when they sent me over the colors. This one I just gravitated towards. It is so stunningly beautiful, the depth and dimension. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a coat of the dip base per usual. Now I'm gonna dip in, and I know I don't normally do that, but there are a lot of super fine glitters in here. The chunkies are present. They are present, but they are sporadic, which I really appreciate because I don't like a whole lot of chunkiness on my nails. So I took a risk and I dipped in, and now I'm just patting everything to make sure everything is laying flat. And this not only covered beautifully, but everything is laying so smooth, so even. And I'm going to do a second coat because I really want a glitter packed nail. So I'm going to clean up a little bit around the sidewalls, around my cuticle area. I'm going to dust off excess. The double dip base coat is super thin and super quick drying, which I love for glitter nails because I can dust right off and go in with a second dip, which is what I'm going to do. For the second dip though, I'm going to pour out a couple of those chunky pieces on top and hopefully get more of those teeny tiny little holographic glitters in there. I really wanted this jam-packed full of those tiny glitters. The tiny glitters are my jam. If you know, you know. Are you guys more of the fine glitter people or more of a like chunky glitter person? Or do you groove on both? Let me know down below. So I'm going to go ahead and get the second coat on, and then we're going to do a little swoopy swoop on the middle finger. So that glitter nail is literally gorgeous. I was really impressed with how smooth and flat they were all laying down. Literally love it so much. So I wanted to do a little swoopy. I did this a while ago, but I did it with gel. So we're going to do it with dip base. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super easy. We're not going to complicate it. I'm just going to take my dip base and line out where I want my swoopy. That's literally it. I'm going to take it all the way up to the top near the cuticle area. I want it skinnier up there and then a little bit more thick, if you will, by the free edge area. And once I have it where I want it, making sure I don't have anything on my skin, I'm going to dip right into that glitter and watch. Look at that. How easy was that? We don't need to make things super complicated. I'm just going to clean up a little bit, readjust a few of those glitter pieces. I noticed that the free edge area was a little bit more naked than I prefer. So I do put a little dab of base down at the free edge area and then I'll dip back in gently. I can tell you though, with 100% confidence, and I do clear cap after I'm done with all of this stuff. I'll do that off camera though. There is zero texture on my nail. It is not raised. There's no ledge. There's no lip. There's no nothing because these glitters literally are so fine, so thin, and they were so incredibly easy to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and cover up that little bitty bald spot that I had down there. And then I am done. I'm done. That was literally it. That's the magic end of the show. I'm gonna clear cap and activate off camera. It was unintentional. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, which that never happens to me, but alas, I'm human and I make mistakes. So I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm gonna show you what it looks like though after I've clear capped and activated, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do all my filing and buffing. Here's what everything looks like activated. I will not be showing my filing and buffing per usual. I hate doing that on film because I need my hands in my face. But if you need a filing and buffing tutorial, I'll leave that either up in the cards or down in the box. And all we have left to do is top coat. Here's what everything looks like after I've reshaped and filed and buffed and smoothed, and they're absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to grab my double dip, no wipe gel top coat. I'm going to throw a coat of this over everything, cure for 60 seconds, and I'll be back with the final look. So I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds, and here's the finished look. I already put oil on, I'm rehydrated. I could not love this anymore. I know it's basic and simple, but yet I feel like it's kind of a statement. Maybe it's just me. So here are the colors again that I used. These glitters are probably my favorite that Double Dip has ever put out. I will make sure to leave all the info down below in the description box for you for everything that I used today in the video. Thank you again to Double Dip. Thank you for you guys for hanging out and watching and spending some time with me today. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.